5 Best Budget Travel Suitcase 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Amazon Basics 3-Piece Rose Gold Carry-On Set. Elevate your travels with the Amazon Basics 3-Piece Rose Gold Carry-On Set, your complete travel solution. This versatile trio includes a chic travel case, spacious tote, and durable hard-side suitcase, preparing you for any journey. Its extra thick hard shell guards belongings against impact and rough handling, ensuring peace of mind. Need more room? Its expandable design offers up to 15% more space, ideal for last-minute additions. Inside, dedicated compartments and zippered pockets keep everything organized. Experience effortless travel with multi-directional wheels, a telescoping handle, and a smart sleeve system that connects your tote, making airport navigation a breeze. Travel smarter, in style and comfort. Number 4. 4-Piece Softside Rolling Carry-On Luggage with TSA Lock. Elevate your travel experience with our 4-piece Softside Rolling Carry-On, meticulously designed for the modern traveler. Say goodbye to gate-checking woes. Its airline-friendly size, 22 by 14 by 9 inches, fits major overhead bins effortlessly, perfect for Spirit, Frontier, or JetBlue. Navigate airports with ease thanks to quick-access exterior pockets, including a dedicated laptop sleeve for swift security checks. Smart packing is a breeze with 3 bonus storage bags and a wet compartment, keeping everything neatly organized. Built with unmatched durability, passing 6 rigorous tests, its triple reinforced shell guarantees exceptional reliability. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a TSA-approved lock and effortless mobility from durable double spinner wheels. Travel smarter, not harder. Number 3. 3-Piece Carry-On Luggage Set, Hardshell, TSA Lock, Spinner. Elevate your travel with our 3-piece carry-on luggage set, designed for effortless journeys. This set features a robust 20-inch hardshell suitcase, crafted from lightweight, durable ABS, offering superior protection for your belongings. A fully lined interior divider ensures impeccable organization. Glide effortlessly through any terminal thanks to its smooth, multi-directional spinner wheels and comfortable retractable handle. For ultimate peace of mind, an integrated TSA-approved lock keeps your valuables secure while allowing for easy inspections. Complementing your carry-on are a versatile, water-resistant duffel bag, perfect for last-minute additions, and a handy toiletry bag. The duffel conveniently slides onto your luggage handle for seamless transit. This isn't just luggage, it's your smart, secure, and perfectly organized travel companion. Number 2. Spinner Carry-On Suitcase with TSA Lock. Elevate your travel experience with the Spinner Carry-On Suitcase, engineered for the discerning traveler. Precisely designed to airline-approved 22 by 14 by 9 inch dimensions, this lightweight marvel ensures stress-free overhead bin access. Its durable, water and scratch-resistant polyester exterior, paired with whisper-quiet 360-degree spinner wheels, promises effortless, smooth mobility through any terminal. Organization is paramount. A dedicated waterproof wet pocket, adjustable main compartment straps, and multiple front and side pockets keep every essential neatly arranged and easily accessible. For business travelers, the padded front compartment offers quick, secure access to your 15.6-foot laptop without opening the main bag. Enhanced with a TSA-approved combination lock and a multi-level ergonomic handle, this carry-on delivers unparalleled security and comfort. Embrace smarter, more confident travel. Number 1. 3-Piece Expandable Hardshell Spinner Carry-On Set. Elevate your journeys with our 3-piece expandable hardshell spinner carry-on set. This expertly designed collection includes an airline-approved carry-on, a versatile duffel, and a toiletry bag, ensuring you're fully equipped for any trip. Glide through airports effortlessly thanks to 8 360-degree smooth spinner wheels, making crowded terminals a breeze. Travel with peace of mind knowing your belongings are secure with a built-in TSA-approved lock, simplifying security checks. The sturdy, 3-stage adjustable telescopic handle provides personalized comfort, while the durable ABS Plus PC expandable hardshell protects your items and offers 20% extra space for those unexpected souvenirs. Experience convenience, style, and durability, all in one smart travel solution. So, that sums up my 5 best budget travel suitcase. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.